Welcome to the silver bamboo forest. It is a very quiet night. The moon is high and the stars are blinking, one by one. Everything is still, the leaves are resting. The flowers are closing their petals. Can you hear the forest breathing? But wait. Someone is still awake. It's Nini. Little Nini the Panda has the wiggles tonight. Her paws want to hula, and her tummy wants to roll. She is not ready for dreamland yet. Nini looks at the moon and giggles. She feels so much energy in her fluffy fur. Are your paws wiggly too? That's okay. Nini is just like you. From high above, Ollie the Owl flies down, as light as a feather, and lands on a silver bamboo branch. Nini, Ollie whispers, the forest is ready for you. Look at the bamboo, they know a secret about sleep. Would you like to learn it? Nini stops rolling. She sits up and looks at her wise friend. She is ready to listen. Ollie tells Nini to look at the tall bamboo trees. They are strong, but they are also very, very relaxed. When the wind blows, they just sway. Let's do the bamboo breath together. Close your eyes if you like. Imagine you are a tall, soft piece of bamboo. Breathe in slowly through your nose as the wind pushes you to one side. And breathe out slowly through your mouth as you sway back to the middle. Let's do it again. Inhale, feel your tummy get big and soft like Nini's. And exhale, letting all the wiggles go away. In and out, swaying and resting. Nini feels her paws getting heavy. Her fluffy ears feel heavy too. The silver bamboo forest is singing a lullaby now. The wind is just a whisper. Nini finds her favorite spot, a bed made of soft velvet leaves. She curls into a little ball, a warm, fuzzy panda ball. Lumi the firefly stays close, watching over her with a gentle golden glow. Good night, Nini. Good night, little dreamer. The forest is quiet now, and so are you.